Check out this 2009 Chevrolet Malibu. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an alarm system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Best of all, our price is lower than Kelley Blue Book suggested retail value. Call today to schedule a test drive.